Now question number 5. It's given that sec theta equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So when sec theta is given to us, we know that sec theta is reciprocal of cos. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Sec is reciprocal of that, hypotenuse by base. And it is given as 13 by 12. So hypotenuse we can take as 13k. In our case, in the triangle ABC, hypotenuse will be AC, that we can take as 13k. And base we can take as 12k from the ratio. So in the triangle, base would be BC, that we can take as 12k. Now before finding other ratios, we have to find out the remaining side. We mark it up here, BC as 12k, AC as 13k. The required side is AB. So that we can find out by Pythagoras theorem. We know that in Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. Now hypotenuse is 13k square. Perpendicular is AB, that we don't know, and base is 12k. Now 13k, 13 square is 169k square equals to AB square plus 144k square. So AB square we can find as 169k square minus 144k square. So this is equals to 25k square. Now we can find, therefore AB would be 5k. So we can mark in the figure AB is 5k. Now we can find all the remaining ratios. So let's start with sine. Sine theta would be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now the perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB, the value is 5k and hypotenuse AC is 13k. So this is equals, we can write sine theta equals to 5 by 13. Now in a similar way, we can find the other ratios. Cos theta, we know it is reciprocal of sec theta only. So we can write directly the value of sec theta is 13 by 12. Reciprocal of 13 by 12 will be 12 by 13. So we can find in a direct way cos theta, or if we want from the triangle, we can find in that way also. Cos theta, we know it's base upon hypotenuse, and base is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Base BC 12k, hypotenuse 13k, so that will be also 12 by 13. So in both the ways we can find the value of cos theta. In a similar way, we can find cosec theta, that is reciprocal of sine theta, h upon p. Hypotenuse is given as 13k, perpendicular 5k. So cosec theta will be 13 by 5. Next, we move on for the next one, that is tan theta. Tan theta we know perpendicular by base. Perpendicular 5k, base 12k. So tan theta is 5 by 12. Cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, base upon perpendicular, 12k by 5k. So cot theta is equal to 12 by 5.